Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2 single player. First, you'll want to dive into the New Light questline. This introductory series guides you through the fundamental mechanics and lore, setting a solid foundation for your solo adventure. You'll explore the Cosmodrome, completing initial missions and getting a feel for combat. This is your essential first step to understanding the game's world and preparing for more challenging content ahead. Next, focus on increasing your power level. This is crucial for tackling tougher content. Always equip gear with a higher power level, even if it's not your preferred weapon. Engage in daily and weekly challenges, as these often reward powerful and pinnacle gear, offering significant boosts. Remember to use upgrade modules to infuse your favorite weapons and armor, keeping them competitive as your power level climbs. Destiny 2 offers many activities perfect for solo players. Dive into the main story campaigns and seasonal questlines to experience the rich lore and earn unique rewards. Lost sectors are excellent for quick, challenging encounters and often drop valuable gear. Don't forget about public events and patrols. These are great for gaining experience, collecting resources, and enjoying the game's vibrant worlds at your own pace. To truly excel as a solo player, mastering your subclass abilities and weapon synergies is key. Understand how your grenades, melees, and supers interact with your chosen weapons for maximum effectiveness. Always use cover and environmental hazards to your advantage, especially against tougher enemies. Experiment with various weapon types, from auto rifles to shotguns, to discover the perfect loadout that complements your unique solo playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.